Good evening, viewers. Welcome to 100% Math, a brand new channel uh, where we are going to teach about the mathematics of class 10 CBSE and CRT syllabus. You might just wonder there are many channels on the internet who are doing the same thing. Then why or what is so special about your channel? So, so I'm going to list on what are the main features about our channel. I will not take a lot of time. I'll just take 1 minute or even 30 seconds just to explain what is so unique about our channel. The one thing that is unique about our channel is we will teach everything in English. When I have been browsing the internet and looking for the channels in order to learn about class 10th mathematics, what I have found that most of the channels are teaching in English. English in the sense Hindi majorly, and then a little bit of English. I just wondered why Hindi is being used as a medium of teaching for a syllabus that is described in English for English medium students. So I think if you learn in English, what is the advantage? Okay, well, let's come to the advantage. What's the advantage of learning in English? Because when you go to the examination, when you attend the entrance test, the questions are usually given in English. So in order to get a better understanding of how these concepts, understanding of the question and the concepts, if you learn in English, yeah, it would be really useful and easy for you to understand. So English as the medium of instruction. This is one unique feature that I think that we have for this channel. And the second feature is we have a goal set approach. What is a goal set approach? Before we start learning something on the channel, we will set a goal. So what is the goal for this channel? The goal for this channel is to score 100 out of 100 in final math examination. So this is June 2020. By the end of this year, hopefully when the lockdown is over and schools are open, and when you're going to attend your final examination, if you attend this channel and follow all the videos and practice the videos along with us as instructed by us, I promise you, I assure you that you will be able to score 100 out of 100 in your final math examination. Then you might just wonder, I got a score of less than 50 or 70 or 60 in my 7th, 8th or 9th standards. So no matter what percentage or what marks or what grade you have scored in your previous examinations, I guarantee you that if you follow all the videos, all the playlists, and follow carefully and practice with us, and whatever is told in the videos, if you practice that very sincerely, then you will definitely get a score of 100 out of 100. And how do I know that you will get a score of 100 out of 100? Because that is the same approach that I have followed in my childhood, using which I always used to score 100 out of 100 in all the math examinations. So what I thought is, why not I teach the same approach to the upcoming students on the internet in this period of lockdown, so that students might benefit from this approach. So this is the goal set approach. So let's set the targets. So let's take a look at the chapters that we have in our textbook. We have 15 chapters. Just give me a minute. I will jot down all the names of the chapters. Then we will set the targets for the chapters. All right, I have jotted down all the names of the chapters that we have in our class 10th mathematics NCERT textbook. See, this is the textbook, mathematics, class 10th NCERT syllabus. I hope you also have the same textbook. Maybe the cover might be different or it might be the same. But basically, this is the textbook that we are going to follow for this entire playlist of the videos. So what's the target? So we have, let's come to the names of the chapters. There are 15 chapters starting from real numbers, polynomials, pair of linear equations, quadratic equations, and arithmetic progressions. If you have found that these 5 chapters are in the same order and with the same names, that means that you have all the rest of the chapters same. So totally we have 15 chapters. So what is the target that we have set in order to target that we are going to set for the next 6 months? So we have a academic year of 1 year. What we try to achieve is in a period of 6 months, by spending 1 to 1.5 hours per day. Consider this as an online home tuition. Spend, let's say, 1.5 hours per day. For watching the videos, just spend 30 to 45 minutes daily. I think it will be only 30 minutes, but if it's a difficult topic or if it's a comprehensive topic, that might go up to 45 minutes. Then spend the rest of the 30 to 45 minutes practicing whatever you're watching in the video. So that comes up to a 1 hour. One day it might be 1 hour, or one day it might take up to 1.5 hours. So that's why I'm telling, just keep in your mind that you're going to spend 1.5 hours per day, but every day it might be 1 hour on an average. So if you spend 1 hour each day for the next 6 months, you are going to score A plus in your mathematics final examination, or 100% if you have a percentage system in your board examination. So now the target for me is, I said 6 months, right? So I am taking 1 month aside, 1 month aside for revision. What we will do in this 1 month is, in this 1 month of videos, I will upload all the previous year examination papers with their solutions, and I will make you practice all the previous year examination questions. So 1 month we will just keep aside for revision. We will have 5 months in our hand just to learn and practice the concepts. So there are 15 chapters and 5 months. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So every month we will keep a target of 3 chapters: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's it. 15 chapters, 3 chapters per 1 month. So this target might seem like a very big goal or a very big target, but if you jot down if you just divide the time and see in detail, it's very simple actually. So in 1 month is nothing but 30 days. In 30 days, we have to complete 3 chapters. That means in 10 days, we have to complete 1 chapter. 1 chapter is 10 days. Now just take your textbook and look at the first chapter, real numbers. I think you might not be able to see what is there on my page, because the text might not be big enough for you to read, but I'm assuming by this time you have already got your textbook with you. So refer to your textbook. Those who do not have the textbook, just follow along with me. You can later on refer to your textbook while practicing the videos. So if you see the real numbers chapter is still page number 19, and what we have in this chapter is, we have exercise 1.4, 1.4, 1.3, 1.2, 1.1. So we have 4 chapters. In the first chapter, we have 3 questions. In the third chapter, we have 3 questions. In the second chapter, we have 7 questions. And in the first chapter, we have 5 questions. If we add all of them, 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 3 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18 questions. So our goal is to learn 18 questions. That is 18 problems. We need to solve 18 problems in 10 days. That is, in one day, we have to solve 1.8 questions. So if you approximate it, that is 2 questions per day. So per day we have to solve 2 questions. Per day we are spending 1 hour, right? I said 1.5 hour. Let's remove that and put that half an hour as a buffer. Let's not consider it. So in one day, that is 1 hour, we have to solve 2 questions. So half an hour per one question. But actually, how much time it will take to solve one question is just 5 minutes. But we have put 30 minutes for us. So when you have put 30 minutes for a question, where it actually takes 5 minutes for you to understand, 30 minutes per question, actual time that it takes is 5 minutes. So let's say for the concept and understanding of the question, you put 5 minutes. For watching the video, watch video 5 minutes, and practice, let's say 10 minutes. Then within 20 minutes, you'll be able to complete the question. You still have 10 minutes left. So that means that the target that we have set here is very easily achievable. So that's why I have made all these calculations. It is very easily achievable. Only thing that you have to do is this mantra. Just remember this mantra. For the next 6 months, you are going to spend at least 1 hour and a maximum of 1.5 hour in a day for the next 6 months with our channel. And this includes all the practicing, watching the video, understanding the concepts and everything. Then you will be getting a score of 100 out of 100. So this is the target. So this is the specialty of our channel. So what is our channel? 100% math. 100% math, the name is given because the goal for you is to score 100%, that is A plus in your mathematics 10th class CBSE syllabus and NCERT syllabus for the CBSE board. Okay students, now I'm going to end this video. This is the introduction video. Now next video I will be starting directly with the questions, and I will start practicing the questions. We will jump directly into the first chapter and start solving some actual questions. It is going to be real fun and it's going to be very educative, and you will really enjoy our video. I promise that. Stay connected with us, stay tuned with us. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and share the video. And if you have any kind of difficulty following this video, if my voice is very fast, if you are unable to understand my voice, if it is not audible, if you are unable to hear, if there is echo or resound or anything, or if you are unable to understand my handwriting, it's not very good, I know, but I think you can understand my handwriting. Or if there is a lighting problem, or if the video is any problem that you are facing with the video, just write down in the comments. I will try to repair the defects and come up with a better video so that you can enjoy our video better and you can understand our video better. Thank you very much. Do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.